Now you've got your Moobox system, you're probably itching to get it set up and installed. So we've put together this short video showing you how to get it working with a minimum of fuss. Typically, you'll find a hub, camera, USB cable, Ethernet cable, wall mount, and screws pack in the box. The first thing to do is connect up the hub to your router using the Ethernet cable, followed by the power cable. As the hub starts up, the circle in the center should light up blue. Wait about a minute for the hub to complete its boot up process. When the light has gone out, the hub is ready. The next step, before attempting to pair the camera with the hub, is to ensure the rechargeable battery in the camera is topped up. So connect the camera to the hub using the USB cable. Then press the button on the camera for 5 seconds till you see the LED on the front flash green. The camera is now on. Now, here's where you'll need to be a little bit patient. Leave the camera to charge for around 3 hours to ensure its battery is charged up to a good level before you start on the next part of the install process. If you really can't wait for a few hours, then an hour or so of charging will do for now. You can always put the camera back on charge when you finish the setup. So when your patience has waned, disconnect the camera from the hub. The hub and camera now need to be paired. Press the circular button on the hub for just 2 seconds, and the blue light around it will begin to spin. Then, press the button on the top of the camera for only 2 seconds, and the LED on the front should start to blink blue. Now wait for the hub and camera to do their thing. After about 30 seconds, the lights on the hub and camera will go out, and they should both be synced. The next step is to visit the App Store on your mobile or tablet and download the Moobox Cam app. Once installed, open the app and sign up for a Moobox account. It's easy. All you need is a valid email address and a password of your choice. When entering a password, we recommend you use between 8 and 12 characters and only use letters and numbers. Log into your newly created account and select Add Hub. Point your phone's camera to the QR code on the underside of the hub, and within a few seconds the hub and camera are added to the app, and you're ready to go. That's all there is to it. Super simple, right? Now you can manage the hub and camera via the app, as well as view your camera live, enable motion detection, get push alerts, and replay motion-triggered events, and more. Do remember, if you need more step-by-step help, don't worry, as we're only a click away. Just head over to www.mooboxcam.co.uk and click the Help button.